Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Alfa Romeo Giulia. First, confirm your Giulia is equipped with the remote start feature, as it's not standard on all models. This convenient function allows you to warm up or cool down your car before you even step inside. Remember, the system operates within a specific range, typically up to 300 feet, so be sure you're close enough for the signal to reach your vehicle effectively. Let's get started with the simple steps. To begin, ensure your Giulia is completely locked. Then, locate the remote start button on your key fob, which often looks like a circular arrow. First, press the lock button once. Immediately after, press and hold the remote start button for approximately 4 seconds. You should see the parking lights flash and the engine will start. The vehicle will run for about 15 minutes before automatically shutting off, providing ample time to prepare for your drive. For an even more convenient option, you can use the Uconnect app on your smartphone. First, download the Uconnect app from your app store and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, select your Alfa Romeo Giulia from the list of vehicles associated with your account. Look for the remote start icon, usually a circular arrow, and simply tap it. The app will confirm the command, and your Giulia will start, ready for your arrival. Here are a few important tips for using your remote start. If any door is opened after the engine has started remotely, the engine will automatically shut off for safety. Always remember not to leave children or pets unattended in a remotely started vehicle. For those who love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.